Right, Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe update. So very small push back up to the bear flag. What happened here, the only way I can tell you whatever this push back up was is that you had this flag here, you broke below the flag, you came up, so break below the flag, come up for the retest one more time, get rejection here, and you still have a pending target down to 10,1026. So you may actually enjoy a scalp here. So you're talking about 10%. Pretty good, day trade pretty good. That's almost $100 for $1,000 invested. That's not bad, with some stop losses. Maybe I think the better stop loss is actually at 11.5, or let's just say you can actually put one at 1232. That's going to be a 7.38%. So who's willing to risk $73 for $100? That's way too much, right? Way too much. So yeah, risk reward, you really have to pay attention to those ones. So I may not say that going with $1,000 is going to be good, but maybe trying with I guess maybe $200, $150, 15% of your money is going to be better in terms of the risk reward we're looking at, because the risk is actually quite big. And I don't think for this type of reward, I don't really think taking $7.3 is going to 7.3% is going to be good. And as a matter of fact, never ever take more than 5% of a risk. I don't think taking more than 5% is always a good idea. The only thing that I really like most of the time is 2 to 3%, and the maximum I go is 5%. I don't really like to go way above that. So if I do miss something and the risk is actually expanding, I may tone down the amount of money that I invest in things. Thing is that we have a long way to go, and we're going to see what happens. Now let's say you do end up holding this support here, and as expected, you do have a chance where you can actually trade another 7.8% for 23-24% move to the upside. Because if you're going to hold support, that's one place you're going to be pumping back up, and that's where you have the upper trend line coming in as well. So yeah, make a lot of sense. If you start to lose it, then you are losing the whole pattern, and you have an amazing, this is a better one, right? 37%. Okay, now if you have maybe 6-7% and you have 37% reward, maybe that's where you can actually have a little bit of thought going on in there. You may actually think about it some few times and still manage how you can actually invest and try to trade in here. So yeah, nothing is financial advice, guys. This is just me trying to tell you how I will actually do things, if I will do it or not do it. If I will do it, how am I going to do it, with how much money, so that you have less stress and still have the opportunity to get something out of it. So that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.